Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Yes, it's your girl Pauline, your bestie you never knew you wanted or had. Hey, so that's just me smizing and everything for you guys. Yes, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm all fresh faced and I definitely moisturize my skin, so make sure you break your face out of the bondage of ashiness, okay? And you definitely want to just prime your face with a moisturizer first and get into the brows. As you can see, I'm just using normal eyebrow pencil, tracing out my eyebrows, brushing them out and filling them in. Nothing special really, but yeah, I just like to carve them out with a lighter concealer and make sure I blend it out. You're an angel, yes, but you do not want angel eyebrows. You don't want those halo eyebrows rocking around looking like you're queenly or whatever. Anyways, we're gonna get into the primer. I'm gonna list all the products I'm using in the description bar below. I use two primers, one that's hydrating and one that's more like pore refining, and I use that usually on my cheeks, the pore refining one, and that's that baby skin one from Maybelline. It is so good, guys. I recommend. Another Maybelline product I'm using, yes, okay. Anyways, another Maybelline product I'm using is their Superstay foundation. I love this foundation. It is so full coverage and it's quite matte but not like drying either. So I really like it, and it just covers everything up. Now this looks a little light on me, I know, but that's just because my face is lighter and I'm gonna highlight, contour, all that good stuff, and it'll blend in at the end. So don't be scared. I know you're a little scared for me. So I'm going in with my Girl Proconcealer and just highlighting the high points of my face. So that's like under my eye, down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and I also like to highlight on top of my lip, so that area, as you can see, with a little mustache, and I like to give myself a little beard too, so it really just completes the look. Yes. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and I like to highlight on top of my lip because I have some hyperpigmentation there, so it really just covers that up, and I also just like the look. So yeah, so I'm just gonna, now you'll see that I'm just setting my eyes because we are going to go into the eyeshadow. So I like to set my eyes to avoid some creasing. I use the Kat Von D setting powder because it's translucent. And now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. Yes, I love this palette. I'm going in with that tangerine color as a transition. I'm gonna list again all these products in the description bar, so don't mind me if I'm not saying their names. And I'm just fluffing, well, not really fluffing, but blending. I am blending that shadow in, and I'm going in with my Colourpop palette to deepen the crease a little bit, deepen that transition, add more depth to it, some je ne sais quoi, so people really get drawn into your eyes, you know. I just really like that look. I switched it up to British there. Don't mind me, it happens. You'll see. So I'm going in with a Morphe blending brush to really just buff that in. You really want to blend. Like, I sped this video up and cut some chunks out, so it looks like, you know, it's just 1-2 swipe and it's done, but it's not. So now I'm gonna go in with that second lavender color. And this is what is really gonna bring the whole freaking look together. It's just wow, I love this color. It looks like I did a whole bunch of stuff, but I really didn't. It's just that one lavender color that just makes the eyes just pop, and it has this iridescent tones to it. It has some blues, some yeah, it's about just the blues, but it's good. It's some nice blues in there, and I just love it. And I blended out the top a little bit just with that same brush that we used before with the Colourpop palette. And now I'm just going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in a bit of a lighter color, just to highlight a little bit more. Yes, I said a little, just a little bit more, just pop, pop, pop. You know, you just want those eyes to really stand out. You didn't do all that work for nothing. They gotta stand out. Shoo. And so I'm just gonna set my under eyes with my Sacha Buttercup. I love that powder. It's just the best. I've tried other setting powders, did not match up. So for my darkies out there, my dark skin babes, this is it for us. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna contour with my Makeup Revolution cream contour stick. Yes, she is fierce because she really just cuts those cheeks. Cut. You don't know what's coming, but she's cutting. Shit, I don't know what that means, but okay, we'll go along with it. So I'm buffing in with my Real Technique sponge, and then I'm just also gonna set it with my CoverGirl pressed powder in Tawny. So I really like this pressed powder because it adds more warmth to my face. And as you can see, as I told you before, it's coming together because now I'm using a darker powder. And then I don't really do too much contour with my nose. I just really just use that same powder to just make it look a little chiseled, but not, I don't do too much. Yeah, I have nothing against going full out, but it's just not really what I do. And then I'm just getting a flat smudger brush to just put some of the red color from the Colourpop palette onto my waterline, just to smoke it out a little bit, add a little bit more je ne sais quoi. And yeah, sorry, that just sped up real quick, but I did my eyeliner and lashes off camera, just because it was easier for me. But I can do a more detailed, okay, dance break, okay, girl, oh, okay. Wow, she was excited there. I don't know, I think the contour was banging. But anyways, so you can see I'm doing the most. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, so I just contoured my cheeks with the powder that I showed earlier, and then this is a Milani blush. Now this blush doesn't really show much on my skin tone, but you know, I wanted to try it because I heard good things, but it didn't really pop on me. I mean, it was okay, but it was alright. It's okay, we move on. Now I'm using a Kevyn Aucoin highlighter to just highlight the bridge of my nose. Now again, I don't really do too much with my nose highlight. I don't know, I already glow. I'm naturally glowing, so I don't need it. But no, I more glow because I have oily skin, so I'm not really trying to bring too much more attention to my nose, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I highlighted my cheeks, and yeah, moisturize those lips, girls, because it's ashy. It's an ashy world, so moisturize your lips. Yeah. Anyways, just doing up my face with a finishing spray. It was from Milani, and now I'm just lining my lips with a NYX liner pencil. Does that even make sense? Lip pencil. Again, will be listed in the description box. Yeah, and then I'm going in with this Colourpop liquid lipstick. Now, yes, it looks scary, ladies and gents. The lips were not banging. They were doing a little something, and you can see me really trying to fight the world and fight the devil to really make this blend in. And then I threw on some lighter lipstick on there to blend it out, and Lord Jesus, it was a fire. And I really was just going in, but she's cute though. She turned out a little cute. So I was like, okay, maybe this bangs, and it kind of, you know, complements the shadow. But then I was like, I don't know. It started to look a little dry. So I brought out the gloss, because I love a good gloss, you know? So I went in with my NYX Couture, I think it's called. I'll put it in the description box again. I just lined my lips again with the NYX liner pencil, and then just did the gloss. And I was like, she's ready. Bam! Pop, pop. With the fur too. Yes, look at her. Woo! Spin! Yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching and getting through that video with me. I hope you enjoyed the look. And yep, boom, subscribe. Look at her, look away. Ooh, and she looks right back at you. Yes, you subscribe. Kiss, kiss, and yeah. Make sure you check me out in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.